In this video, I'll show you how to add substitutes, also called personalization tags, in your emails inside Systeme.io. These tags let you pull information from your contact list so every email feels more personal. First, log in and go to the Emails tab. Create a new campaign or open one you've already made. In the email editor, write your subject line and body normally. When you want to add a substitute, type a tag. For example, to greet someone by their first name, type 2 curly brackets, contact.first_name, then close the brackets. When the email is sent, that tag will automatically show the subscriber's actual first name. You can also use tags like contact@email or contact.last_name to personalize even more. These tags can be placed inside subject lines or in the body of the message. Using them makes your email feel custom, which helps increase both open rates and engagement. If a detail is missing for a contact, Systeme.io will just leave that part blank, so your email still looks fine. Once your tags are in place, save your email and send yourself a test to confirm everything works before you launch the campaign. That's how you add substitutes in emails with Systeme.io. Subscribe,